The versatility of the Distinct Home Privacy System allows for a range of design configurations in both indoor and outdoor spaces. Our decorative panels are made in North America from an exclusive material formulation and feature 3D effects that can only come from injection molding. Build your own project. As a building material, the panels can be incorporated into fencing projects as an overlay alternative to wooden lattice to create a distinct space. Choose from surface mount base, ground stake for sod or soil, or use the deck mount base, which is included with the post kit. Use the Distinct Home system to create space definition or privacy for outdoor dining, hot tubs, and more. Conceal utility areas in the yard, such as waste bins or AC units. In this video, we will demonstrate the installation of the Distinct Home Privacy Screen system using the post kit and panels. There are 2 post height options available for your build, a 4.5 foot tall option or a 6.5 foot tall option. As in all installation projects, always remember to wear the appropriate personal protective equipment. Wear safety glasses to protect your eyes and safety gloves to protect your hands. Each post kit comes with the following parts: 1 extruded powder of panel mounting brackets, hole covers, and sufficient screws for your project. For a 6 foot tall by 4 foot wide privacy screen, we will need 2 6 foot post kits and 3 Distinct Home Privacy panels. In this example, we have selected the shutter design. Installation of the panels is easy, thanks to the integrated pre-threaded screw holes in the corners of the panel. There are 3 basic steps in this installation. First, attaching the brackets to the post. Second, attaching the panels to the installed brackets. And third, inserting the post and panel assembly to the base. It is easiest to work on a flat surface, with the posts laying flat on a workbench or floor. Step 1. Affix the brackets by attaching them to the pre-drilled holes in the aluminum post. Repeat for the second post. Step 2. Align the panels to brackets and screw these into place using the integrated pre-threaded holes in the panel corners. Finish the top of the post by adding the post cap. Cover any exposed holes on the aluminum post with the hole covers if desired. Step 3. At this point, the instructions will vary depending on the base which you will be using. The deck mount base is included with the post kit. Cover the base with the base cap to hide the hardware. Lower the post onto the installed base. Mark holes and pre-drill the post locations. Secure the deck mount base to the floor, deck, or ground using the appropriate hardware based on the ground type and condition. The surface mount base is sold separately from the post kit. First, with another person, lift assembled privacy screen up. Align the posts with each base and place the assembly into your 2 standalone bases. Secure standalone base to privacy screen assembly with supplied bolts, washers, and nuts. Finally, move entire assembled privacy screen into final location. Secure to ground. Hardware for this is sold separately. Use the appropriate drill bit for masonry if screwing into concrete. The ground stake is sold separately from the post kit. First, establish and assess location for ground stake installation and insertion. Ensure ground is safe to install to depth. Note, the spacing must be determined before installing any ground stake. Measure post spacing and mark these locations on ground. Soften ground with water, if necessary. Second, install the privacy screen base, sold in Distinct Post Kit, to the ground stake. Third, use a screwdriver or rod to rotate the ground stake into the soil. Remember to add water to help soften the soil, if necessary. Fourth, place the privacy screen base cap, sold in the Distinct Post Kit, onto the base. Lift the privacy screen and install it into the post base. Buy another post kit for each additional 4 feet of linear span of the privacy screen. To extend the length, repeat step 1, step 2, and step 3 with the next post. To extend the privacy screen at a 90-degree angle, the drill template will be needed to drill into the front face of the aluminum post. You will need to buy another post kit for each additional 4-foot section. The posts do not have drilled holes on each face, only on the opposite lateral sides. To drill a hole on the front face of the post, the drill template provided in each post kit box will be helpful. Follow step 1, step 2, and step 3 outlined previously to add brackets to the posts, attach the panels to the brackets, and finish with the ground installation method of your choice. The Distinct Home Post and Panel System can be used to design and build a variety of privacy solutions for backyard spaces, inside the home, and commercial uses.